Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make the Spanish egg and potato omelette. Please, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, just hit the red button before we start now and subscribe. It's free of charge, you don't have to pay, okay? Thank you very much. So some of the ingredients we're going to be using today are potato, onion, some vegetable oil, some non-stick pan, and your salt to seasoning. So right now I'm just going to chop my potato and my onion into little pieces. Right now I'm done chopping my potatoes and my onion, so I'm just going to put them inside my hot pan of oil and fry them for like 5 minutes till my potato is properly cooked. So my potato is still on the fire getting ready. I'll just break my egg and whisk them while the potato is still in the fire getting ready. I'm using 6 eggs, okay, but I guess next time I will reduce my egg or I'll add more potato to my egg, because the one I did today, the potato was not enough. So I'm using 6 eggs today and 2 potatoes. If you are making for yourself, you can add your potato to be a little more than mine, okay? So these are my potato already that are fried already, it's properly cooked. I'm just going to put them inside my whisk egg and make sure I stir them together properly. I've already added my salt into my whisk egg for the seasoning, so I'll just turn till it's properly mixed. Then I'll put it inside my hot pan with very little oil on my pan, very little oil. So I'll just put it, and as you can see, my fire is very low. You need your fire on a very low, so your potato doesn't get burnt easily. So you need to leave your fire very low, okay? Right now I'm just making sure I move my pan slowly, moving it slowly, so the omelette doesn't get to stick underneath the pan, okay? Right now I'm just going to use my white plate to turn my potato omelette. Please, whenever you're turning your omelette, you have to make sure that you're very careful so it doesn't split on the ground, because it's not yet properly cooked. So my potato omelette is getting ready right now. Please, if you know you like my video, if you know you love my channel, please just subscribe and show me love. Thank you very much. Right now my potato omelette is ready. It looks nice and it tastes very good. I've eaten it, so I know it tastes good, okay? Thank you very much for watching, guys, and please remember to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you very much. See you next time on my next video. Thank you. Bye.